Mosquitoes belong to the order Diptera, which includes all true flies. The earliest ancestors of modern mosquitoes likely appeared over 200 million years ago during the Jurassic period. These primitive insects were quite different from the mosquitoes we know today, but they already had the basic characteristics of two wings and a specialized mouthpart for piercing and sucking. Over millions of years, mosquitoes evolved and diversified into various species, adapting to different habitats and feeding habits. The emergence of flowering plants and the availability of new ecological niches likely contributed to their diversification. It wasn't until the late 19th and early 20th centuries that scientists began to fully understand the role of mosquitoes in disease transmission. The connection between mosquitoes and diseases like malaria, yellow fever, and Zika virus became clearer. This understanding paved the way for efforts to control mosquito populations and reduce disease transmission. In recent decades, scientists have made significant progress in understanding mosquito biology, behavior, and genetics. This knowledge has been applied to various control strategies, including insecticide use, insect-resistant genetically modified organisms, and research into disease-resistant mosquitoes. The real age of mosquitoes is typically measured in terms of their developmental stages and life cycle, rather than in years as we measure human age. Mosquitoes go through 4 distinct life stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. The time it takes for a mosquito to complete its life cycle can vary based on factors such as species, temperature, and food availability. Mosquito eggs are laid in or near water sources. The time it takes for eggs to hatch into larvae can range from a few days to several weeks, depending on temperature and other conditions. Once the eggs hatch, they become larvae, also known as wigglers. Larvae live in water and feed on microorganisms. The larval stage typically lasts for about 5 to 14 days. The larva transforms into a pupa, also known as a tumbler. The pupal stage is a non-feeding stage during which the mosquito undergoes metamorphosis. Pupae are usually active and can be seen moving in the water. The pupal stage generally lasts for about 1 to 4 days. After the pupal stage, the mosquito emerges as an adult. The newly emerged mosquito needs some time to allow its wings to dry and harden before it can fly. Once fully developed, adult mosquitoes start seeking blood meals for the females. Males typically feed on nectar. The adult lifespan can vary based on species and environmental conditions. It can range from a few days to several weeks. The overall lifespan of a mosquito can vary greatly depending on factors like species, environmental conditions, and availability of suitable breeding sites and food sources. Some mosquito species can complete their life cycle in as little as a week, while others might take several weeks. Thanks for watching this video. For more interesting videos and information, keep watching Z Facts.